Hello, and welcome to the U.S. Botanic Garden Orchid Greenhouses. Today I'd like to introduce you and give you a brief overview of our Phrag and Pap house. In this house, we grow several species and hybrids of the genera Phragmipedium and Paphiopedilum. In addition, we grow several species in the subtribe Pleurothalidae, such as those you see behind me, as well as several members of the genus Stanhopeia. Now, because most of the species we grow in this particular greenhouse lack pseudobulbs for water storage, humidity is kept relatively high, upwards of 75% year-round. Additionally, many of the species we grow in this house come from cooler, shadier environments, and thus shade levels are kept relatively high, and temperatures are kept between around 50 degrees and 75 degrees year-round, so that these species do not get too hot. So thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoy.